Time to do some wrenching. Time for an oil change. Okay, this is the oil in the filter I'll be putting in today. Shell Rotella gas truck 5W30 and a Fram Ultra. Okay, let's go underneath and see what it looks like. Okay, we'll take this magnetic drain plug out. It's got a magnet on it. It's got one inside. You can check it out afterwards, see how she looks. There she goes. There's the plug. Okay, I'll let that drain out, and then I'll get the filter. Okay, here's the magnetic drain plug. You can see what it got. Not really much. There's not much on there. That's good. It's a good sign. I've got a magnet on the oil filter too. I mean, this is mostly just for curiosity's sake. I mean, I don't know if you really, if it does anything or not, but there's like nothing here. I mean, I don't feel nothing here. Just a little. It looks like. Just looks a little dirty. Oh, there's something right there. The camera picks that up. See that right there? Let's see. There's like a little piece right there. Let's see what that is. Oh, kind of. Yeah, it's nothing hard. It's just I think it's just where the oil was sitting. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, that all looks good. Okay. Okay, so it's not dripping much now. I'm going to put this drain plug back in. Some guys put new washers on. This thing, I don't know, it's flat, it never leaks. I don't bother. I got the old one on there as long as it doesn't fall apart. I have no problems with it. And I just snug it down. I just get it pretty snug. Tight. Yeah, let's see. Right there. It's got aluminum pan, and I don't want to tighten it too tight. That's good enough. It's not going to leak. It's not going nowhere, that's for sure. Okay. Now the oil. Alright, right there. And you can see the magnet right here. I can never get these off by hand, so what I do is I just take my wrench here just to get it started. It doesn't take much. If I put it on the right way, it'd help. Okay, it should go. Yeah. Okay. Put the bucket under here. I hope the camera don't get it in the oil. I'm gonna go pretty close there. Okay, we'll see. Usually I wear some gloves, but there it goes. I'll start it, I'll let it drip out a little ways, and then I'll take it all the way off. Okay. I hope this is coming out. I know the lighting's really bad under here. Okay. And then what I'll do is take a rag. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to clean up here just before I put the new one on. Okay. Okay, here's a new filter. I like to pre-fill them since it's a vertical filter. I can, fill these up pretty much all the way. Shake this up. Yeah, it's pretty good. I put some of my fingers on this and seal. Okay, and let's go underneath and put it on. Okay, I'm not going to be putting a magnet on this filter because it's got the bypass valve is on the bottom, so I don't want to put a magnet right there. Besides that, it's got this coating on it, and I don't think it would stick too good. So this one I can get hand tight easily. That's good. Yeah, it's on there good. Yeah, so I just put one on the other filter because the other filter has an upper bypass valve, so if anything gets stuck on the bottom of the filter, it shouldn't hurt it. You won't go into your, odds are it won't go into your engine. But yeah, that's it for that, and now we just fill it with oil. Okay, take the cap off. Funnel. Shake. And this thing, every time I drain it, it just takes five quarts, so I don't have to measure it or nothing. It's always the same. The filters for it are pretty much all the same size. So yeah, this is the first time I'm going to use this oil. Let me try it out. Just came out, I guess, about a year ago. It's a full synthetic. Kind of curious. It says all mileage, so I don't know if it's got some additives for the seals and stuff or not. I don't know. We must have something in there, but see, if she starts leaking, I'll know. I hope not. Okay, now all I just got to do is put the cap on, and that's it. She's all done. I'm going to put a link down below for the filter when I cut it open, so you can watch that too, and see if the magnet caught anything. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.